Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm rounding up... Hello? Hi. Did you want to say hello? Okay, you may say hello. Look at this furry boy. This furry boy really needs a haircut. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm rounding up all of my favorite skincare products from Sephora that I think are worth the splurge. Now, Sephora does have some affordable skincare options, like from the Inky List and The Ordinary, but I won't be covering those in today's video because I've done videos about those brands before. So these are higher end skincare items that I think are actually worth the money. So let's start with kind of like a strange item in my skincare routine. These are the Shiseido cotton pads, and I swear by these. These are the most luxurious, softest, most amazing feeling cotton pads you will ever use. Now, most cotton pads that you find at the drugstore are very abrasive and they're quite harsh on the skin, but I find that these Shiseido cotton pads are just like super soft. They're actually pretty inexpensive considering the fact that you get a ton in this. 165 sheets. You get 165 sheets, and I believe it's around $15 or $10, but every single item that I'll be talking about in this video will be linked down below at Sephora, so you can shop very easily. So I generally use these cotton pads for any sort of like liquidy toner or liquidy makeup remover that I'm using. So if I'm using like a dual phase liquid makeup remover, I'll go for these cotton pads. If I'm using like a very liquid toner, like my Waterfall Gentle Tonic from Fourth Ray Beauty, I will use this cotton pad. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there that these cotton pads are freaking amazing and you won't regret buying them. Next up, we have a cleansing balm, and this is the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. As you can see, I clearly had a very intense love affair with this particular cleansing balm. Oh my god, I just love the way it smells. I love the way that it really breaks down and melts away makeup super easily. I have done a bunch of videos demonstrating how I use this product, and so I will link those videos in the info box down below so you can go watch and really get a feel for how this product performs. But truly, a little bit goes a very long way with this product, so it has lasted me a long time, and it doesn't leave like a really nasty residue on my skin, which I was originally nervous about when it comes to cleansing balms, because I don't know, I don't really like that feeling of like a greasy, oily residue left on my skin after I cleanse. But this actually emulsifies really beautifully, and it really cleanly rinses away. The one cleanser, and there are a lot of cleansers at Sephora that I really enjoy, but right now my favorite cleanser of all time from Sephora is the, I don't even know what this is called. It's like a really long name. Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser from Youth to the People. Now, it comes in a glass bottle, which is great because you can recycle that, and they come in like a lot of different sizes. So this is the smallest size that they offered because I wasn't sure how I would feel about it, so I purchased a baby size. But I have taken it with me traveling before. I love using it in the morning and at night. This particular cleanser paired with the Green Clean Cleansing Balm just work gorgeously together to take off makeup. What I like about this cleanser the most is that it doesn't give me that very dry, stripped away feeling that I get from a lot of other harsher cleansers. So this is definitely one of the more gentle cleansers that I've ever tried, but I think it's still suitable for all skin types, because even if you have very oily skin, you shouldn't be using like a super harsh stripping cleanser that strips away all the moisture and oil from your skin, because ultimately that's going to harm your skin barrier. So if you're gonna buy a cleanser from Sephora, make it this one. All right, so next we have the category of masks, and I feel like a wash-off mask you should not spend a lot of money on, because it's a wash-off product. You have it on your skin for maybe 20-30 minutes at the most, and then it washes away. And there's just no possible way that any sort of wash-off mask is going to do these amazing, like crazy results for your skin the same way that an overnight treatment would. That's just my personal opinion. However, the one mask that I have splurged on that I do think is worth the money is the Fresh Rose face mask. Now, this doesn't do a lot for my skin necessarily the same way that an overnight treatment does when I use them multiple times a week for months at a time. However, this is a super hydrating, very cooling gel-like formula that just like smells really fresh, like roses. It just is the most beautiful sensorial experience possible. I have used actually a pretty large amount of this product because I I'm just obsessed with it. So what I like to do is I like to cleanse my skin in the morning and then apply a layer of this mask on my skin. Then I will journal, I will unload the dishwasher, I'll do random stuff. And by the time I'm done doing that, this mask is finished drying. And when I wash it off, my skin is just super, super soft. And it's just like such a relaxing experience of doing this face mask. So I think it's worth the money in my opinion. I would definitely buy this again. And in fact, when the Sephora sale does come up, I will definitely buy this again. It's just a really delightful mask. I don't know what to tell you. And I totally forgot to mention this, but the Sephora sale for the spring is coming up very soon, which is why I'm filming this video. All the sale dates, all the discount codes for each of the membership tiers, I will put in the info box so you can access them very quickly. But yeah, the Sephora sale is coming up, so I'm going to use the opportunity with my 15% off, I believe, to, you know, get a discount on some of the products that I know I'm gonna love and use. Next up is not actually this product. What I wanted to talk about is the Belief Aqua Balm Moisturizer. This is the Belief Eye Balm, which is our eye cream version of the Aqua Balm, but I wanted to talk about the Aqua Balm, but I don't have it because I threw it away because I finished it. But the Aqua Balm from Belief is one of the best moisturizers I've ever tried. It's just like a gorgeous, cooling gel-like formula that's still extremely hydrating and extremely moisturizing. It's not too much in terms of emollients, but it's also not lacking in terms of hydration. It just really straddles that middle line of, you know, emollients and hydration. I freaking love the Belief Aqua Balm. I don't know if I'll repurchase it anytime soon because I have a lot of moisturizers to get through right now, but it's definitely up there in terms of my holy grail moisturizers. Now, if you are looking for a really amazing eye cream, the Belief Eye Balm is really, really good. However, I just personally, I don't really believe in eye creams. If you want to hear more about my thoughts on eye creams, I did a whole video about why I think they're a total scam. But in terms of eye creams, if you want an eye cream, if that's something that you want, this is the one to get. This is another moisturizer, but it's actually a sleeping mask. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Now, this features what they call encapsulated retinol. So it's not straight up retinol. They have some technology where it's encapsulated so it releases over a longer period of time on the skin, which minimizes a lot of these sensitizing effects of retinol, because even though retinol is one of the best ingredients for your skin, it can be a little bit finicky on sensitive skin. And even for a normal person's skin, ramping up to a higher percentage of retinol can be a little touch and go. But I actually found zero irritation with this product at all. It just didn't irritate my skin, period, which I really appreciated. It is just really rich and really thick and really emollient and slightly occlusive. It's a great winter moisturizer, but I know we're going into like the spring, summer months right now, so this may not be what you're looking for, but I would keep it on your radar for the colder months in case you want something a little bit richer for the skin. And lastly, I wanted to wrap things up with a beauty oil. This is the Herbivore Emerald CBD and adaptogens oil. This is a gorgeous oil. It has really, really grown on me. When I first tried it, I was like, meh, it's okay. But now that I've been using it consistently, I actually really, really enjoy it. My skin just glows from within when I use this at night. I did a full video about my thoughts on CBD when topically applied to skin and skincare. So if you want to see that video, that will be linked down below in the info box. But this is a great oil. It's very well balanced. It's quite a dry oil, so it's not like super thick and super heavy and occlusive on the skin. It actually absorbs really, really nicely. So those are all my favorite skincare products from Sephora right now that I think are worth the money. Yes, they're pretty expensive, but if you can buy them in like minis or like a value kit, I do think it's totally worth it. If you want to see more skincare videos just like this one that are always rooted in chemistry, then give this video a thumbs up and comment down below with what kind of videos you want to see, because I am uploading 3 times a week now, which is kind of a lot. So help your girl out and help me come up with more video ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending this time with me. Have a beautiful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!